Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm going a little cabin crazy and I got to get outside. So I have my motorcycle over here. I haven't really driven it this year because the snow just recently melted. The roads are kind of dirty. It's pretty darn cold out, so I'm gonna have to dress warm. But my plan is to take the motorcycle out and do some social distancing, drive around, check out how barren this area is. I'm going to bring some gear with me, so I have a tank bag here, and it's magnetic, and I believe it just goes like this. I haven't used it for a while. I'll just plop it down. There we go. That won't come off. And then in the tank bag, let me show you what I have. So in the center section here is going to go this here GoPro that's filming now, but look what's on the side. I have a Mavic Mini there. It's sitting in a little net mesh thing here, and over here I have the controller, and I have the batteries for the Mavic Mini up in here.
Seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight.
Excuse me? You can't park here with barricades like that.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
Yeah,
taking.
just stay there.
I get that a lot. I'm actually filming a video. So that was a bylaw officer of the city telling me two things. One is I can't park my motorcycle where I was parked. Second, I can't go through that area. So I normally fly drones down there. That's an island. You see that a lot of time on my channel. I'm flying on an island out by water. That's down that area. It's also a great place for people to hang out when the sun's out, like today. So it's, yeah, it's pretty much closed to keep social distancing at its maximum. No more parks open here.
You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner.
So in my area of Canada, almost everything is closed. Businesses had to close, probably just like your area. The only difference is that we can still, you can see on the highway back there, people are still driving. The only difference in Canada, for at least my area, is that we're allowed outside as long as you're not in groups more than 5. That might get reduced in the future, but you can't go everywhere. Some places there's police blockades that will block you from traveling certain areas because they don't want you in a certain congested area if you have no business to be there, and same as leaving it. So it's a little bit different. Right now I'm at one of the many malls in my city. This here is a mall that's in my area, and you can see as I'm spinning around here, the parking lot is kind of barren. There's a few cars over there that you can see, but those guys that are parked over there are for taking, there's a bus way down there. I'll pass that later. So they're just parked so they can take the bus, and there's not many people taking the bus because there's no place to go really. Here I am in an area of Ottawa called Lansdowne Park. This is a very popular area, but there's nobody around. Over here, you can see back here, we have a skateboard park, and it's, yeah, it's all blocked off. And way back over there is our stadium for our football games and sometimes soccer games, and of course that's all closed as well. So this area is usually bustling with people, and well, here, let me just do a spin around. There's like nobody here. And back there in that area, that's the market. And the market is like all the vendors come out and sell all their wares during the daytime, and it's empty. There's nobody around, nothing.
You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might take taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time.
Like most businesses, closed for the season. Well, it's probably closed for much longer than that. So where I am now is on the border of Ontario and Quebec, and if you look over here, that's the province of Quebec, and the river that runs between Ontario and Quebec is the Ottawa River. Everything is pretty much closed over on the province of Quebec. I can't even get over there because the police won't even let me into that province if I don't have a purpose to go there because of COVID-19. So it's really quiet downtown Ottawa in my city. I'm downtown, and this building here is the Supreme Court of Canada. Yeah, that's the Supreme Court, that's the back of the building. And if we walk over here, you can see, I'm gonna go over to the water area here, try to get out of the sun. Those are the Parliament buildings way over there. That's Parliament buildings, Parliament Hill. You can see the Peace Tower and everything up there. And if we keep looking this way, going to see out there, that's the bridge to get over to the province of Quebec. That's the province of Quebec where I'm not allowed because everything's blocked off and there's police over there blocking people coming in because of COVID-19. So all I can say is it's a great day for driving a motorcycle because there's next to no traffic and everybody stays away from you. It's great. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little video driving around my city and showing you the absence of people because of COVID-19. Hopefully your city is doing a lot better. Leave a comment below and let me know how things are going. Alright, take care, catch you in the next video.
crowds. Let the feeling of realization in that